Do you want to unlike notes on Instagram? You can unlike Instagram notes with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unlike a note on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the direct messages icon at the bottom or top right of the screen. Now you are on the messages screen. Here you will see your friends' notes at the top of the screen. Browse through the notes and find the one you want to unlike. The reaction appears at the top of the note. Now, tap the note to open it and unlike. Next, tap the liked emoji you previously added to the note. The like or reaction will be removed, and the note will now show that you have unliked it. You can repeat these steps for any other notes you want to unlike.